Again, number one, I think I would re-emphasise, the point I made just before about the idea that death is not actually an event; it's a process, and any time that we designate as the moment at which a person is dead is ultimately an arbitrary thing, and we have to accept that. There's never going to be a gold standard way of saying, now you're dead, but a moment before you're alive. It's simply not possible. So that's number one. Number two, I think, is this idea that death is a social, cultural, philosophical, religious, psychological phenomenon. It's not just a biological concept. It's not just a scientific concept. And third is, I think, the results of our research and the research of others, that the presence of death at the time that organs are taken is probably psychologically much more important to us as doctors than it is to the people who were asking for organ donation. I think I'd say they were my three big messages for all this.